Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Let's get a bell going here. Welcome to my 3068th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Let me start with this. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Moms, there's nothing like a great mom. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. You guys and gals out there, go see your moms, go see your grandmoms. Make sure you acknowledge them. Happy Mother's Day to all Omniac moms out there. We love you guys. What's next? You are looking at the NASDAQ for trading on Sunday night through Monday, May 11th, 2026, with a green Omni. Traders, look at this breakout. I mean, there's nothing that you could say about that, but boy, oh boy, does NASDAQ and ES want to go. Looks like Russ does too. No matter what the world throws at these markets, they just seem as strong as the day is long. The Omni had a sell signal or two last week. Useless. They didn't work at all. Unreal. This is as strong as the day is long, and we will be buying the dips for trading on Sunday through Monday. Back to our Mother's Day celebration. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. I'm going to go take care of my honey Lisa, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember, kids, stop sore in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. The week is young. We're going to have a lot of work to do this week. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room.